for tasty adventure in the kitchen. Are you ready to unleash your inner baker and indulge in this delightful treat? Well, let's get started. Let's make burnt cheesecake, or some people call it Basque. First, cover your baking pan with a parchment paper. Then in a mixing bowl, add in cream cheese and sugar. Yeah, let's mix them up until they become the dream of team of smooth goodness. Yeah, mix them until well combined. Don't forget to scrape down the bottom of the bowl from time to time. Then, we're going to beat in the eggs one at a time. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Time to make the magic happen. Grab some flour and some salt. Pop it into the mix at low speed and let the party begin. We want everything to dance together in perfect harmony. Slowly pour in the heavy cream and at low speed mix everything until smooth and well combined. Time to transfer the smooth, creamy, and beautiful batter to our prepared pan. Don't forget to gently tap the pan to remove the bubbles in the batter. We will bake the cheesecake to our preheated oven for around 30 to 45 minutes, or until the cheesecake is very puffy and the top is dark browny color. Let it cool for at least 3 to 4 hours. Let's wait. And there you have it, our delectable burnt cheesecake, fresh and ready to be served. Now, let's slowly take that knife and create a perfect slice that oh so tempting. Can you see that delightful gooey texture? I hope you had as much fun making this cake as I did. Trust me, it's worth every single second in the kitchen. Now comes the best part, savoring every bite. The combination of the slightly burnt top and velvety smooth interior is like a match made in dessert heaven. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, happy baking!